If you want to test your app while you're building it in Thunkable, the Thunkable Live app lets you preview everything in real time on your mobile device. This is useful because it allows you to see exactly how your app behaves on an actual phone instead of just the web editor. Start by opening your Thunkable project in your web browser and making sure you're logged in. Once your project is loaded, keep it open so it can sync with your mobile device. Next, download the Thunkable Live app on your phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in using the same account you used on the web version of Thunkable. This step is important because both devices need to be connected to the same account for live preview to work. After signing in, go back to the Thunkable editor on your computer or browser. Look for the Live Test option. When you activate it, Thunkable will generate a QR code on the screen. This QR code is what connects your web project to your mobile device. Now open Thunkable Live on your phone and use the built-in scanner to scan the QR code displayed on your screen. Once scanned, your project will instantly load on your device. At this point, your app is running in live preview mode. Any changes you make in the web editor will automatically reflect on your phone in real time. This makes it easy to test layouts, buttons, navigation, data connections, and overall user experience without needing to publish the app first. If something doesn't look right, you can quickly go back to the editor, make adjustments, and see the updates immediately on your device. This real-time feedback loop is one of the most useful parts of Thunkable because it helps you catch issues early and refine your design as you build. You can also test interactions like tapping buttons, entering text, uploading images, or navigating between screens. Everything behaves as it would in a real published app, which makes the preview very accurate for final testing. If the live preview doesn't connect, make sure both your phone and computer are using the same account and that your internet connection is stable. Refreshing the QR code or restarting the Thunkable Live app can also help resolve syncing issues. And that's how you preview an app using Thunkable Live. Open your project, launch Live Test, scan the QR code using the Thunkable Live app, and your app will instantly appear on your phone for real-time testing and development.